Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. Welcome to the end of week 10. That's right. We're in the final week and I can't wait to see the end of those demo reels. Really excited about that. So next week's gonna be interesting. So there is no lecture. We'll talk about shot lists a little bit during lecture on Tuesday, but so the whole goal of this next week, so you have to keep in mind the end of class on Friday next week. So since we're at the end of lecture, week 11, so we survived, yay! So I just want to let you know. So you have two ways you can do your assignment this week. So um, you will be presenting your demo reel. Just keep that in mind. I'll go over it a little bit more in detail in the first announcement on Monday. But so you can do this either two ways. You can either present this in lecture if you want to. If you present this in lecture, then you don't have to post anything on the discussion. It's just you and me. I mean, if you present in lecture, I can watch it. We can go through it, call it a day. No discussion whatsoever. You don't have to record your own presentation and everything. So that'll be good. So you can do it two ways. Either you can either do this in class, present it. So you're going to go through. You're going to walk through your demo reel. You're going to describe your process through the semester and examples of what you changed, added, and deleted. And then you're going to provide examples of your shot list as well. And there's a couple other things, any limitations or anything like that. I'll share the rubric that I go over for your presentations on Monday, so that way you have it ready to go. So that way, that's kind of the announcement for this week. But the class this week is just presenting your shot list and presenting your or a couple of images of your shot list. You don't have to do the whole thing, but you're just presenting your demo reel. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna play your demo reel. You're gonna talk about it as you play it. And then you're going to talk about your challenges and then explain examples in your in progress shot list and what you changed, what you added, deleted, and what were some challenges throughout it. How'd you overcome them? That's what I want you to talk about. So it's like a 5-minute presentation. And then that's it. We'll just talk about shot list and then call it a day. That's all we need to do on Tuesday. So if you want to do it that now, if you don't, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to record your presentation live. You're going to have to be talking about it as you're going through the walkthrough. And then you're also going to have to explain your challenges. What are some examples that you changed, added, deleted the piece, and what were some great things that you found about this process? And then show some samples of your shot list. And that's pretty much it. But you're going to have to do that on your discussion if you don't show up in class. So that's a big thing right there. So please make sure if you don't show in presentation, you have to record your presentation and post it on a discussion, and then post your and then make sure you describe the things that we talked about. Other than that, that's all I got. I just want you to get ready for the presentation this week. That's all. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody has a great week, and I'll see everybody for Monday with a little bit more detail about that presentation. All right, everybody, have a good one. Bye bye.